May I invite everyone to stand up for the invocation?
We ask that you bestow your greatness and wisdom on each of us. May we honor one another. Voice our truth and listen. Bless everyone presently. Each may be able to share his or her operations with peace. Grant them and sacred moments that outside his room and bestow peace and good those on us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this way be a success through your intervention. We gratitude we offer this prayer worthy. Amen.
You can now sit down. Presiding for today's activity is the chairperson, Engineer Neil L. Macarel. Good morning, sir.
Morning, everyone. The back secretariat kindly confirm if we have a quorum. Okay. Forgot to state this meeting is now called to order. The back secretariat can kindly confirm if we have a quorum.
Yes, Mr. Chair, the back secretariat confirms the existence of the presence of a quorum. Morning, sir. The Assistant Director will be joining us. Good morning, sir. To continue, also present are the following. Engineer Benedict J. Sagon. Good morning, sir. Ms. Letelin C. Samosa. Good morning, ma'am. Mr. Napoleon Gonzalez. Good morning, sir. Ms. Sofia M. Batilara. Good morning, ma'am. And the provisional member, the end user, Mr. As also a member of the technical working group, or as an end user only, Mr. Chair, Mr. Ando Panganiba. Morning. Member ng PWG rito. Also, Mr. Chair, our present are members of the technical working group headed by Ms. Alfidelia Perlado, the assistant head, Ms. Rochelle Ann B. Palapal, members, Mr. Adrian Patrick G. Andal, Miss Aprilin Burgos. Wala. That's all, Mr. Chair.
With quorum duly established, kindly state the order of business.
The order of business, Mr. Chair, for today's activity are the following. Activities: procurement of the pre-bid conference of the procurement project entitled Procurement of RICO C 9200 printer, consumables and spare parts. Click package for 1 year under NPO BAC 004-26 with an ABC of 6,429,764 pesos. At 1:30 is the procurement of janitorial services for the National Printing Office for 1 year under NPO BAC 003-26 with an ABC of 15 million pesos. And the post-qualification report presentation by the TWG of the procurement project entitled Supply, Delivery, Installation, Testing, and Commissioning, including preventive maintenance of 1 unit 2-color sheet-fed offset press machine with perfecting mode under NPO BAC 002-26 with an ABC of 90 million pesos. In this regard, Mr. Chair, I would like to state that there are no prospective bidders present for this activity. However, pursuant to Section 43 of the IRR 12009, we endeavored to send notices to the following in compliance with the said provision: to Ms. Clarice Ipaliti, State Auditor 3, the audit team leader of the Office of the Resident Co-Auditor of the National Printing Office on May 20, 2026. To the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry on the same day. The Executive Director of the Philippine Business for Social Progress on even day, May 20, 2026. To the Office of the President of the National Printing Office Workers Association, also on May 20, and finally to the Officer in charge of consumer operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative, May 20, 2026. We're now prepared to present the general rules.
Okay.
General Rules. During the conference, all participants are expected to follow the general rules to ensure an orderly proceeding. Participants are requested to arrive on time. Bidders' authorized representatives who are physically present at the venue shall register and sign the official attendance sheet, while those participating through online platforms must indicate in the chat box their company name, company address, authorized representatives, email, and contact numbers. Proper meeting decorum must be observed at all times. Participants are required to keep their mobile phones on silent mode, observe courtesy and professionalism, and raise their hand if they wish to speak, waiting to be recognized by the presiding officer before doing so. All questions should be relevant to the subject matter being discussed, and unauthorized recording of the proceedings is strictly prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules may result in consequences, including a warning for minor violations or removal from the conference in cases of serious or repeated violations.
Mr. Chair, the TWG is now prepared to present the bidding documents. And in this regard, may I request the body to recognize Ms. Aprilyn Burgos and the Assistant Head, Ms. Rochelle Palapal, as presenters. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, BAC Secretariat. Since there is no prospective bidders attended this activity, I will ask the body if we will proceed for the presentation, or we will just ask the end user for any concerns and the TWG. Members, present pa ba o diretso nang tanungin natin yung end user?
So, Mr. Chair,
TWG? Yes, Ma'am Lane.
since we already deliberated it last pre-proc, we may just ask our end user if there is any more changes whatsoever.
Okay. Ma'am Lane?
Good morning po. May I ask, Mr. Chair, if this was posted in our GC, yung revised po? If not, they can present it to the body, yung changes po.
Ma'am Dina?
In that case, Mr. Chair, if there are any changes according to the end user po, if none naman po, okay na po to proceed since there are no prospective bidders who attended.
Engineer? Okay. Nap? End user na lang? Tanungin natin? Okay. Sige.
Mr. Chair, no other concerns on behalf of the end user.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Sa ating IT, kindly confirm if there are prospective bidders attended online. Kindly check. Yes. Yeah. We are online. That's why we are checking if there are prospective bidders attended through online. Sir Manuel? Wala. Okay. In that regard, the TWG. TWG ba or the back secretariat for the motion? TWG. Okay. Make the necessary motion, ma'am. TWG.
The technical working group respectfully recommends the ano po
Yes.
the yes sir.
Wait muna. 5 minutes suspension ng meeting muna. Kasi bago ito ngayon. Hindi alas na eh.
Since no bidders is present today, the TWG respectfully recommend that the bidding documents for the procurement project of RICO C9200 printer consumables and spare parts of click package for 1 year will be reviewed only by the TWG for any amendments and other clarifications. If none, we'll proceed po to the next next process, which is the bid opening na po.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body in a motion from the members of the back.
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the technical working group, Mr. Chair.
In objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby adopted. We will proceed now to the other activities, sir.
Yes, Mr. Chair, despite the next project being scheduled at 10:30, since we finished the first
Yes.
activity early, we'll go to the post-qualification report presentation for the
Possible.
project entitled Supply, Delivery.